Today we're gonna start introducing the new Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This is the last Mercedes-Benz that have been introduced in the United States market. It takes the shape from the current CLA, but instead of making the back a slope, they're gonna make it like more like a sedan. So the car have a nice lines that you can see from the side, and then we're gonna take a quick view at the interior of the car. So let's get inside. So you can see here, it's a very well finished car. It takes some inspiration from the current S-Class. You can see the finishes on the aluminum, very nice finish. All the controls are auto lightings, controls on the steering wheel, which include also the touchpad. It's gonna have a huge screen, dual screen. One is gonna be used for all the media, entertainment, navigation, and then the one on the left is gonna be used for the controls on the car, you know, speedometer, speed, settings, and different other things. You have very nice vents on the front, round vents, very nice steering wheel, very nice shape without detailed aluminum on the bottom. So you can see the one on the right. I only have access right now to have the one on the right on. You see all the controls, very similar to this class. You have the touchpad here, very sensitive. Even you can use it to write. You have the setting from the car, volume, mute. You got the direct input to navigation. That's the radio playing right now. Very nice sound, very nice quality. I believe this car also have voice recognition, voice commands. So if you send commands to it, it will react and will listen to your voice. Very soft, very easy, very intuitive to use. It works like butter, very easy. Look at this. You also have a touch screen, so you can use your hand to go directly access your media. I don't have anything connected right now, so there is no music playing. Then you have your comfort ambient lighting. You can change the color in the side of the car. It's gonna be showing here. So like right now it's like a violet color. You can slide down up to change the intensity of the color, and then you can set up independently by zone. You see the accent, the vents. See the color get more intensity or less intensity. Very easy to use. The touchpad is very sensitive. You have a click, so it can be used like a mouse. I believe you can write on it, so it will recognize your writing. It's gonna scroll to the left. So this one will be the info from the car. As the car, we don't have the key yet because the car is gonna be launched on next Monday after the Super Bowl. So we don't have access to that. So even include the car have connection to the internet via wireless service. So you can even be browsing the internet from your car. Very smart things in this car. I believe it's not connected right now, so I'm trying, so there's nothing showing. But one time you have connection, everything's gonna be showing in this car. So you have to be activated. I believe it's gonna be active with AT&T. So in this you can access the different assistant control that you have on the car. This car have traffic sign recognition, so you have a camera in the front that will recognize when you drive the traffic signs and will display those on your screen. So advising you on the speed limits, any info that you will need to know, the car will be reading for you from the street. This car is equipped with brake assistant, so it's like similar to a forward warning collision. So if the car detects the car in front of you, not reacting from your brake, the car will start automatic braking for you, so you mitigate the impact. You have also side assist on the mirrors, blind spot assist, and then they have attention assist. That's a very nice feature for Mercedes-Benz. The car is always trying to see if you are active on the wheel. In case you're not active, it's gonna send you to show you a coffee cup, so you need to rest. This one you can change the different settings on the screen. So You can see that you have the sport. This one will be for the lighting, so you can access all the settings. You can personalize this car, all the settings, all the lightings, everything can be personalized. This one is the access to the system. So as you can see, you can personalize the way it looks. You can have it like a classy look. That is the one right now is a classy look. Also, you can change to a sport. So sport will be a color, a more aggressive color. It's gonna be like a yellow or orange color. Very nice, very bright. This display is very bright. I think it have a huge resolution. This is gonna go back to classic. It looks a little bit better under this condition of lighting. It's gonna scroll to the settings. We're gonna take a look here at the glove compartment. So it's a huge block compartment. Have a lot of storage right there. I repeat, I only have access to I don't have the key to turn on the car. I only have access to have it open. This car is gonna be launched on Sunday with the Super Bowl. So the car will be available for sale in the United States starting on Monday. The starting price, I believe, is gonna be close to around the 29, and you know, when you add the destination charges and delivery, transportation, the stuff, so I think it's gonna be around 31, 32. This one that I'm sitting right now, I got some options, so the price of this one is around 39. Well equipped. It's really nice car. Very intuitive. You can access from your hand. You can access so as soon as you touch it, it's moving right there. That's the navigation system. It's gonna be a quick view. As the car is not connected to the internet, I believe that's why it's not showing the actual 3D maps from Google Earth. Let me change the orientation of the screen. We're gonna change it to 3D. I believe some of this car gonna be equipped with the front camera. This front camera is gonna be facing the road in front of you. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna be like a kind of virtual reality. They're gonna mix the view of the street in front of you with the information from the navigation. It actually is gonna be showing you 10 by 10 based on the street, the position that you are at the moment. Very intuitive, very nice setup. So you can see here they're gonna be showing the street names. So this one, augmented reality, is the one that I was explaining before. You have access from here to everything on the car. Radio is gonna go back to radio again. For copyright reasons, I cannot play the music in the background from the car. Very nice finish. Got memory seats also on the passenger side. This one have very nice sound system. Huge panoramic sunroof, panoramic roof. Look at this, it's really nice. Very huge. The screen looks really clear. It's a very nice setup, very reactive, very fast. So you see, I was looking at here. You can set up like a special event. Let's say that you are a fan of any baseball team. You can set up your every time any news is coming out about that baseball team, the car will show you a notification so you can access it. So this is the fader. It's very intuitive. So you see that I'm just dragging my finger around the screen. This one is automatic adjustment. I believe I don't have the key right now to have the car on, so I don't have access to all the settings on the car, but I'm gonna be showing you all of that starting next week. So keep following the channel. For the next update, I'm gonna be doing a point of view navigation on this car, and then we're gonna be taking this car for a ride around. Also, this car comes equipped with the driver assistant package, so we're gonna be testing that one also to see how it works. This is a huge trunk. You can see on the back, both seats they fold. Is I believe the 40, 20, 40. This specific model, both of them are gonna fold. huge space. So guys, wait for the next video. Starting next week, we're gonna be showing you the point of view. This is a demo of the voice command. Hey Mercedes, change my music. Hey Mercedes, change the color. Hey Mercedes, make it cooler.